This video will review how to complete a case investigation for reportable enteric bacterial infection in the West Virginia Electronic Disease Surveillance System, or WVEDSS. You can access WVEDSS through the DIDE main page. We will use Campylobacteriosis as an example, since this was the most commonly reported enteric disease in 2015. We'll be entering the case into the WVEDSS test system, which mirrors the WVEDSS system you regularly use. Let's suppose that a 4-year-old child is ill with diarrhea and goes to the emergency department. The doctor has ordered a laboratory panel of stool tests, and a positive Campylobacter antigen EIA result is reported to you at the local health department. A case investigation open in WVEDSS most often starts with the lab result received and case investigation findings entered into the system. Before we proceed, a note to Internet Explorer users. You may need to add this website to your list of sites in Compatibility View to access all features of WVEDSS from some versions of Internet Explorer. WVEDSS is a patient-centric system, so if this patient had a reportable disease in the past, you can search for the patient. Note that search functions find letters typed anywhere in the name, not just at the beginning of the name, and is not case sensitive. However, typos do exist in the system, so it is recommended that you use just a few letters of the name. Adding date of birth will narrow the search. If this patient appears, click on the patient ID. If the search does not yield a patient, click the Add New button at the right side of the screen. Add a new patient by spelling the full name in all caps. You will also need to add the date of birth. We recommend using the calendar widget to avoid data entry errors. Notice that the age is auto-populated. Complete the current sex field and other demographics as applicable. The zip code must be completed with a 5-digit zip code. There must be a 10-digit phone number with hyphens. Ethnicity and race also must be completed. The identification field is not required, but is strongly recommended if this information is available. Select the type, in this case, Social Security. Select the assigning authority, in this case also Social Security. Then enter the ID value, in this case the 9-digit Social Security number. Select the Add ID button to store this identification for this patient. Review all the information entered on this page for accuracy, then click the Submit button for this patient to be added to the WVEDSS system.